Good morning students. In this class we are going to learn 3D shapes. See some pictures: cube, cuboid, prism, square, pyramid, cylinder, cone, triangular, pyramid, sphere. These pictures are called 3D shapes. Why you call these pictures are 3D shapes? Because these pictures are 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth and height are called 3-dimensional shapes, simply called as 3D shapes. So the definition of 3D is, what's the definition? The shapes which have 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth and height or depth, are called 3-dimensional shapes, simply called as 3D shapes. Now listen the faces and the edges and vertices. See the figure. What is it? A cube. Okay. So a cube is made of 6 square shaped planes. These 6 square shaped planes of the cube are known as its faces. These are called faces. A line segment which connects any two faces of a cube. Which connects any two faces of a cube is called as edge, and each corners is the point. Okay, so each corner point where 3 edges meet is called as vertex. 3 edges meet is called as vertex. So a cube has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. For example, I will take one cuboid box. Okay, so find out the number of faces, edges and vertices using this box. Faces is, see the faces, this one front face, front view. Okay, front view, back view. So this one 2 faces, front and back. Then right and left 2 faces. So 4 faces totally. Then up and down 2 faces. So total number of faces is 4 plus 2 plus here also 2. So total number of faces is 6. Okay, so total number of faces in this cuboid box is 6. Next we calculate the edges. What's the definition of edges? Edges is, what's the definition? A line segment which connects any two faces of a cube is called the edge. A line segment which connects any two faces of a cube is called as edges. This front view and the right view, this line segment is connected. So this line segment is called a edge. So here also having one edge, this side and the above. So totally 4 edges having in the front view. Then back view, we get 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 edges. And the side view, this 2 edges. Here also we get 2 edges. So front view 4, back view 4, side 2, this side also 2. So totally 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. What's the value? 12. Okay, so number of edges is 12. And find out the vertices. What's the definition of vertices? Vertices is the corner point where 3 edges meet is called as vertex. Each corner point where the 3 edges, see 3 edges is this one front view edge, this 2, this one right view. So this 3 edges meet at this point. So this point is called the vertex. Okay, so here we get one vertex, here you get one vertex, and this side, this side. Totally 4 edges in front view and back view also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 vertices. So total number of vertices is 8. So in this cuboid box we get number of faces 6, number of edges 12 and number of vertices 8. This like we take any of the objects and find out the number of edges, number of faces and number of vertices. Next one is nets for building 3-dimensional 3D shapes. Listen the sweet box. When we buy sweets, a shopkeeper picks a flat-shaped card which has some flips and makes a rectangular shaped box, that is cuboid, by folding it as shown in the figure. Then he arranges the sweets in the box and gives it to us. The flat-shaped card already designed, making the box excluding flops. Flops is dotted lines, okay, is known as a net. So for example, from the following nets, we can build cubes and square pyramids. Listen it. We use this nets for cubes. This one nets for cubes. We use this shapes and make a cube shapes. Okay. Here we use this net shapes. Get the square pyramids. Get the square pyramids. Next one is 3D shapes in different views. Listen it. This one object. The front view of the object is, see this picture, and the top view, side view. This one is the B row. B row, this one front view, top view and the side view. This is one of the shape. This shape front view is this one, top view and the side view. Now I'll explain exercise 2.3. The three dimensions of a cuboid are length, breadth, height. L is length, B is breadth and height, H is height. The meeting point of more than two edges in a polyhedron is called as vertex. Okay, the meeting point, more than two edges. More than two edges is, now I'll explain one cuboid. So three edges meeting one of the point, that point is called the corner or vertex of the cuboid. Okay, so the meeting point of more than two edges in polyhedron is called as vertex. A cube has how many number of faces? Cuboid and the cube has same number of faces, 6. The cross section of a solid cylinder is circle. Cross section of a solid cylinder. Now this is the solid cylinder. We cut the solid cylinder, this like. We get what shape? Circle. Or for example, you take the banana. You cut the banana in slice. We get what shape? Circle. Okay, that is the answer of this question. Then fifth one is, if a net of a 3D shape has 6 plane squares, then it is called cube. 6 plane squares. Squares is called a cube. Okay, then match the following. This one is what shape? Cuboid. Cuboid shape. This one is cylinder. And third one is square pyramid. Square pyramid. Here we get it one of the square shape. Okay, so square pyramid. This one is triangular prism. See front and back view, we get one triangle. So this one triangular prism. Then which 3D shapes do the following nets represent? Draw them. So we use this net and close it, we get one of the cube shape. Draw the cube diagram here. Okay, then this one is the length and the breadth values are different, so get it cuboid shape. Draw the cuboid shape. And here one triangle, here also one triangle, top and back view, top and bottom. So this one is triangular prism. See the middle one is square, other sides we get triangle. So square pyramid. This one is square pyramid. Top and bottom, two circles are given in this figure. So this is the cylinder, cylinder net. Okay. Then fourth one is, for each solid 3 views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side. T, F and S. T is top, F is front and S is side views. Listen the solid. This is the solid. See the first figure. This one is front view of the solid. Then next one is 3 boxes having the top. So this one top view. See the side, 3 boxes. So this is the side view. F, T, S. This like complete the second one. Second one, this one is top 3. This one is side. Side is, you see 2 boxes. Side view. This one is front view. Okay, T, S, F. Third one is side view 3. And the front view is Z shape. And top view is 2. 2 and this one box also 3. Okay, top view 3. So S, F, T. Now I will explain one definition. Euler's formula. Euler's formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. If we get F plus V minus E is equal to 2, that is known as Euler's formula. Okay. So listen, F is faces. Faces is find out number of faces in the given shape, and vertices. V is vertices, E is edges. So faces, vertices and edges. So we find out the counting of any of the shape, faces, vertices and edges. You count it. Okay, any of the shape we use and count. That value is we get 2. So Euler's formula satisfied in that figure. Euler's formula satisfied in that figure. Find out number of faces, number of vertices and number of edges. Add faces and vertices counting and subtract the edges counting. We get the answer is 2. Euler's theorem is verified. So listen the last question. Verify Euler's formula for the table given below. Faces 4, vertices 4, edges 6. Euler's formula is F plus V minus E is equal to, we want 2. Okay. So we add faces and vertices, subtract the edges. So 4 plus 4 minus 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So here Euler's formula is verified. Okay. Then next one is we add 10 plus 6 minus 12. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 12 is we get 4. So this value not equal to 2. Not equal to 2 is Euler's theorem does not verified. Okay, Euler's theorem is does not verified. Then third one is add 12 plus 20 minus 30. 12 plus 20 is 32. 32 minus 30 is 2. Here Euler's theorem verified. Then fourth one is 20 plus 13 minus 30. 20 plus 13 is 33. 33 minus 30 is 3. This value is not equal to 2. So here the Euler's theorem does not verified. Okay. Then fifth one is 32 plus 60 minus 90. So 32 plus 60 is 92. 92 minus 90 is we get 2. So Euler's theorem verified. This exercise everything complete in your book. Okay, don't write in the note. Everything complete in your maths book. Thank you, students.